In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your GoDaddy domain to Vercel. If you've ever wondered how to seamlessly link these two platforms in just a few minutes, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First things first, open your preferred web browser and search for Vercel. Vercel is a popular platform for front-end development and deployment, and it plays nicely with domains hosted on GoDaddy. Once you've found the Vercel website, go ahead and log into your account. If you haven't yet created an account, you can sign up and go through the onboarding process quite quickly. Now that you're logged in, navigate to your project on Vercel. This is typically where you have your front-end code hosted or a site you're wanting to deploy. Click on your project to enter its dashboard, and then look for the project settings. This is where you can manage different elements related to your project. Inside the Settings menu, you'll find a section dedicated to domains. Select it. Next, we'll add your GoDaddy domain to your project. You'll need the full domain name, something like yourdomain.com. Make sure to enter it completely and accurately. Once you've entered the full domain name, Vercel will give you an option to add the www version of your domain. It's always good practice to select this option so that visitors can access your site using either form of the URL. When you choose this option, you're essentially setting up a redirect from the www prefixed address to your base domain. With your domain entered, Vercel will provide you with the necessary DNS records. These typically include an A record and a CNAME record. Make a note of these details, as they are essential for the following steps. Now it's time to head over to your GoDaddy account. Log in and find the domain you've purchased and want to connect. You'll need to navigate to the DNS settings for this domain, which is where you can manage the various records associated with it. In the DNS settings, you'll add two new records provided by Vercel. First, add the A record. You'll use the name @ and enter the value that Vercel has supplied. This ensures your domain points to the correct IP address. Next, add the CNAME record. For this, use the name www and input CNAME verceldns.com as the value. This will set up the proper DNS routing for your domain. Finally, make sure to save these DNS records. And that's it. It might take a little while for the changes to propagate across the internet, but once they have, your GoDaddy domain should be successfully connected to Vercel. I hope this tutorial was helpful and made the process clear and straightforward for you. If you have any questions or run into issues, the support teams for both platforms are usually very helpful. Thanks for watching.